Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I do have a nail video for you guys. I'm sorry I'm doing a voiceover, but I had music and the TV playing in the background and I didn't want to get copyrighted from YouTube. But today I do have a full set of like medium length nails here, and I will be going in with full nail tips. This is the gel nail method. I did this on myself in a previous video. You guys asked me how they held up. They held up pretty good. They held up the same way I believe regular press-ons would, but without any damage to your nail, if that makes sense. So going right in, all I did was clip down her nail some because she had some growth there. I'm just prepping them for the full tip nails that I will be going in with. So after clipping each nail, I do go in and file the nail and buff the nail. I added this service and I'm glad I did because it's perfect for people who want their nails done but they don't wear nails all the time. She works in healthcare, which is perfect. Think you need a UV lamp that is small, like the one I'll show you is by Madam Glam, but you can get one from anywhere. I'll link a really cheap one down below because it's critical to have a small lamp because you need to flash cure while you're holding the nail. So like I said, going right in, I did try to speed everything up. This took me about 40 minutes, which is not a long time. So the video that you guys is watching today is 20 minutes. I sped everything up ×2. So if you are going to add this service, it doesn't take long at all. So here it is. I'm just going in and buffing her nails. I do like to use new buffers on my clients. If it's someone that come back and forth to me, I do have a kit with their name on it, so I can just go in and pull their file, their buffer, everything that I use for them. So after that, I did go in and dust the nails off. I spent a little time dusting her nails off just because I really like to make sure I get all the dust off. You don't want any of that dust to show up on any of the gels you're putting on the nails. And then I went in with the Young Nail solution. If you don't have the Young Nail solution, which you don't need, just go in with some alcohol at this point on a lint-free cloth and clean the nails off. First, I'm going in with a gel base. This is the Eye Gel Beauty gel base. This works fine. I use it all the time. I use it with different polishes that are not eye gel, and I have no problems with it. So yeah, and it's really inexpensive. So I'll link this down below as well. But yeah, I'm going in with that. When I did these on myself, I did not use a base on my natural nail, and the nails held up about 13 days. So I'm hoping that the nails will last a lot longer just by, you know, doing this extra step and adding the base. Then I put the nails inside the little lamp here and I do cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with some like medium, these are, to me they're short, but these are like medium coffin shaped tips. I've already sized them to her finger. I just took 2 out of each nail, and then I will be going in and adding them on her finger. I don't know where that footage went for the pinky. Y'all know I be a hot mess when it comes to filming other people when I'm doing their nail. And with the Born Pretty solid nail gel for tips, and this is the bomb. I'm telling you, like, where has this been all my life? This is perfect. It's so easy to use without the mess. And if any does ooze up out the side, it's not hard to clean, because it doesn't cling to your skin. It doesn't stick. You really don't need a tool, but I just love this. I can't say enough about it. And it's really cheap. It's less than $5. If you do your nails at home and you're watching this, girl, go ahead and grab this. Like, there's nothing else I can say about it except you need this in your life. I did get some questions in my last video about my full cover tips. These tips, along with those tips and other tips, I'm going to be launching a website in January, and these will be on there. So I didn't provide a link. Some of you did ask me. I don't want you to think I'm ignoring you. I tried to reply to anyone I saw commented that. But yeah, I love these tips. They're a bomb. You can just use some regular glue and pop these on your nails and polish them. They're nice and thick and durable. So here I'm just flash curing the nails as I put the gel on for 30 seconds, and then I take and put all of them inside the lamp for 60 seconds. And I work on the thumb separately, just because you guys know it is difficult to hold the thumb inside the lamp. So here I am just flash curing that and working on the other hand now. And while I'm doing this hand, I did pull out my large lamp and I have her curing her nails inside the lamp for 120 seconds. These nails are perfect just the way they are. I'm not going to do too much to them other than go look at each nail, and if it has that little pointy piece at the tip, I'm just going in with the nail clipper and cutting it off, and then reinforcing that with a 80 grit nail file slightly on the tip because I don't want to over file. Like I said, this shape is perfect. You don't have to do much to the nail at all. Now I'm just going in with a buffer and buffing this nail just like I would if they were actual press-ons. You want to make sure you don't miss this step at all if you do these nails or if you're doing press-ons. I always buff my nails, and about a week ago I needed some press-ons and I didn't have time to buff them, so I wanted to make my set and I just went straight in with the gel base and paint my nails, and it was like chipping by the end of the night. So don't skip this step. It's very important. And we want these nails to look like she stepped fresh out of the salon. We don't want them to look like press-ons. We want them to give the illusion of acrylic nails. So it's important to do all the steps that you would do when you are doing nails. Again, I'm going in and buffing the nails down, and if I see any gel on the side, I'm going in and cleaning that up now before I go in with my gel base and my gel polishes. I don't want anything to show up. I want her cuticle area to look really crisp and clean. So now I'm going in with that Young Nail solution again on a lint-free wipe, and I'm just going over her nails to make sure I get all the dust off before I go in with my gel polishes. Now I'm going back in with the Eye Gel Beauty base coat, and I'm going over each nail with a really thin layer, again cleaning up any gel that may spill on the side, because once I cure these in the lamp, whatever is laid down is going to be stuck. So I really was focusing on her cuticle area and her side walls of her nails, because again, I want these to look like they are salon quality nails because I am charging her for her nails. So yeah, you want them to look good, and even if you do them on yourself, you want them to look good. These are perfect for temporary wear. I highly recommend you guys give your nails a break every once in a while from acrylics. That's what I'm doing right now, and I am actually loving these products that let you wear nails without the hassle. So now I do cure the nails again in the lamp for 60 seconds. I let that cure while I work on the next hand. And again, I'm repeating the same process, so I'll let you guys just watch me. I do go in now with the shade Teddy Bear from iGel Beauty. If you shop from iGel Beauty and you don't have the shade Teddy Bear in acrylic or gel polish, you're tripping. This is one of my favorites from the brand. You guys need it, and that's all I'm gonna say about it. I do go in with 2 or I believe 3 coats. Here you'll see me wiping down the nails because there was some lint on it. I think she was on her phone or touched her shirt or something, but you do want to make sure you get that off of there before you cure it. So like I said, I went in with like 2 to 3 coats on each hand. In between my coats, I do cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in to finish it off with the Born Pretty top gel coat. Listen, I'm not going to say it again. I say it in probably all of my videos. This gel top polish is bomb. You'll see when I get done at the end of this video how glossy and high shine her nails are. This is what I use when I do my press on. So yeah, you're sleeping on it if you don't have it. So yeah, I'm just going in and I use a very thin layer. Again, I try to go in and clean the sides up before I cure it because I want her finished look to be very flawless. So we are at my favorite part where you get to accessorize the nails and bring them to life. I am going in with another one of my favorites, the IBD gel, and I'm putting a little bit on there, and then I am going in with a purple 3D bear that I got from Shein. If you haven't checked out Shein nail art, you're tripping. They have all the good stuff for the low. So I flash cure that for 30 seconds just so that the bear doesn't slip around. And then now I have her hand curing in the lamp for 60 seconds just because we don't want that bear to go anywhere. So here you guys did see me dip back into the Born Pretty top coat. I did that. I put it over top of the IBD gel. It is supposed to make whatever you put on the nail last a little longer. And then here we wanted to add like a little touch. She actually wanted a little diamond here, so I went in with some of my stones that I got from AliExpress. I will try to link that at the top of this video. If not, I'll link it at the bottom. These stones are beautiful and they're very, very inexpensive. Lastly, I am dropping a little bit of oil onto my lid, and I'm going in with a clean brush, going around her cuticle area, just because I made her fingers a little ashy with going in with the alcohol solution to dry her nails out and clean them. So I think the cuticle oil really just set everything into place and make the nails look bomb. So I'm gonna close this video out. Let me know if you guys are looking to try this. If you do nails, if you're gonna try this on your clients and add it as a service. Like I said, I will list everything down below. I charge $35 for this set here. She tipped me $5, so I made $40, and these nails took me about 40 minutes. Not bad. I would definitely add this to my service if you do nails, and I would definitely check these products out if you are interested in doing your nails at home and you don't have time to get to the nail salon. Again, I'm going to close this video out, but before I go, don't forget to subscribe, and here are the nails close up. I'll try to get an even closer picture, but yeah, I'll check you guys out later.